This YouTube channel generated over 1 million views in the last 30 days, while this other one reached about 3 million views. The most interesting part, however, is that both of these channels only started posting around a year ago. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate videos using ChatGPT to create your own YouTube automation channel about history. I'll also give you some tips to help you succeed faster and avoid the usual mistakes that automation channels usually make. First, you need to understand that this niche is pretty crowded at this point, so you'll have a lot of competition and most hot topics have already been covered, so you'll have to find a unique approach. If you're just looking to get started, the first thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a list of interesting but lesser-known historical topics for you to cover. If you stick with us until the end of the video, we'll also share an alternative idea that's less reliant on having to find niche historical facts to talk about. So, after we find an interesting topic, we'll ask ChatGPT to gather information about it. It's very important to ask ChatGPT to cite its sources so we can check and confirm that all the information is coming from reputable sources. Once it's gathered all the information, we'll ask it to generate a script without any timestamps or instructions, just the text part. After that, you'll copy that text, go to Explore GPTs and search for free AI video. Select Flixier Video GPT and start a chat, then tell it to generate a 16:9 video since that's the correct resolution for YouTube. We'll also specify the tone and type of voice that we want for our video, then paste the script we generated and give it a few seconds to process. Now let's watch this and customize it as needed.
Imagine waking up one day to learn that nearly 300 years of history never actually happened. What if Charlemagne?
Right off the bat, I'll go to the Media tab to see all of my images. I'm not a fan of these ones, so I'll click Regenerate to get new ones. I'll also change the subtitle style to something that's a little more catchy. Another great way to make your YouTube automation content unique is to use your own voice. And if you don't want to record a whole voiceover, you can use Flixier to clone it. Just go to the VoiceOver tab and follow the on-screen instructions. When you finish the cloning process, you'll be able to use the voice for any other video you generate using Flixier. At this point, the video is pretty much ready to go, but because I'm a bit of a perfectionist and because I want to show you everything that's possible with Flixier, I'll take things a bit further. We'll click on the Edit More button to open the video in the Flixier editor. The first thing I'll do here is delete the emoji subtitle track since it doesn't really fit our historical theme. Then I'll go over to the Audio tab, look for a song and drag it down to the timeline. I'll also lower the volume down to 5 since I don't want it overshadowing the narration. There are a lot more features for you to discover here, so make sure to check out the rest of the videos on our channel to learn more about the editor. If you followed along, all that's left for you to do now is create your channel and upload your video to YouTube.